A GPU, or graphics processing unit, is a part of a computer designed to handle many tasks all at once, making it much faster than a regular processor for certain jobs. Think of it like a big team working on a puzzle where each person has a piece. This teamwork allows GPUs to quickly handle complex tasks, making them ideal for creating smooth, realistic graphics in video games or for scientific calculations and data processing in fields like AI. Unlike a CPU, which does one thing at a time, a GPU can work on many pieces of information simultaneously, which makes it essential for speeding up jobs that would otherwise take much longer. This combination of speed and efficiency is what makes GPUs so valuable in both everyday computing and specialized fields.